If you are feeling a little bit anxious about home values right now, or if you're wondering, is this the right time to make a move? Let's talk about what's really happening in the Milton housing market this spring. Because things are shifting, and if you're a homeowner or someone thinking about making a move, you'll want to hear this. Right now, inventory is up significantly. In fact, we're seeing 49% more homes on the market compared to last March. That's giving buyers more choice, but they still aren't seemingly finding what they're looking for. Interest rates, they've come down with some of the lowest fixed rates we've seen in years, and they're now starting with a 3. Along with 7 rate cuts from the Bank of Canada since the peak, we're at a point where many buyers said they'd be ready to jump back in. But here's the twist, they're still waiting. A lot of would-be buyers are sitting on the sidelines. They're watching the economy, upcoming elections, job markets. They're trying to time the market just right. But that wait-and-see approach, it's creating a unique window of opportunity for serious buyers to negotiate and secure a home they might otherwise not been able to. In March, the average sales price in Milton came in at just over $1 million. That's up 2.8% over February and down about 5% compared to last year. The sales volume has picked up compared to February, which is typical for the spring, but year over year, we're trending down 23% in the number of sales, even with all that extra inventory. So what does that mean if you're selling? Well, homes are taking a bit longer to sell, but interestingly, the average list to sale price ratio is still sitting at 100%. That's thanks to strategic pricing creating urgency in a market that otherwise feels a little cautious right now. Looking ahead, a few key factors are keeping buyers on edge. The upcoming federal election on April 28th, uncertainty in the US, trade fluctuations, job security, all of these factors are contributing to the market pause we're seeing right now. Up next, we're closely watching to see what happens with the next Bank of Canada announcement on April 16th, and we're anticipating more inventory hitting the market after that. Buyers have more options and time to decide, so presentation, pricing, and marketing have never been more important. If you're thinking of selling, positioning your home as the standout is key, as motivated buyers are still out there. Whether they're upsizing, downsizing, or relocating, they're making moves when the right home comes along. It's about more than just timing. It's about having someone who knows how to read this market and put you in the best position possible. And even if you're not planning to make a move anytime soon, you might be watching prices to see how your home value's been trending. With month-over-month prices climbing, but still slightly down from this same time last year, this is a great time to check in on your equity, or even start planning for future upgrades you can do to boost your long-term value.